Good morning, my dear children. I am Savita Man, your teacher from Sanskriti School. एक छोटी कश्ती मेरे पास नई बनाई हरी रंगाई और पानी में तैराई. एक मेंढक बैठा पानी में, उसने देखा मुझको घूरा और कूदा कश्ती में. मेरी कश्ती डगमगा गई, ये पलटी वो पलटी पर तैर गई पानी में. Yes, you remember this song, children? Yes, that was such a lovely activity we did, where we actually made a paper boat and the boat was sailing in the water. Yes. So, now I think you have an idea what ma'am is going to talk about. Yes, children, I know that you all are such attentive children and you are such good listeners. I am sure you all have remembered whatever I have, told you last time. So, let me just check if you really remember them. Okay, so I think I told you children to go and give high five to your parents, and I told you that your legs are carrying you wherever you want to go for a short distance, but when you want to go for a little longer distance, you can take a cycle, your bicycle. But the bicycle, how did the bicycle come into existence? I told you that somebody must be very clever and invented a wheel, right? And then that's how we started to have so many vehicles, right? The bicycle, I have this bicycle with me, right? So this bicycle, children, it can carry only one people, I think, or maybe maximum two, and it can't go very fast, and you get really tired because it uses your muscle power. And then then there are so many other vehicles. You just quickly have a look here, right? There is a scooter and there is a motorbike, and there are so many other vehicles. We call them two-wheelers. They have two wheels. The rickshaw has three wheels, and your tricycle, when you were a baby, you used to use it. They have three wheels. So this kind of vehicles we use, and they can go a little faster than the bicycle, yes children, right? And there are many other vehicles that you see on the road. We have spoken about it. You can have a quick look here. There is a car here. There is a jeep, children. And I think there is a small van also. Yes, some children travel through van to school. But our school has a big bus like this, a big school bus. There is a truck here which carries lots of material goods, and there is one more bigger thing than the truck, trailer, that also carries goods. I told you about it, So all these vehicles, children, are vehicles that move on the road, right? Now, do you remember that day while traveling on a road, we reached a beach? And when you went to the beach, you saw that there are so many different kinds of ships and boats, and there was a yacht. Of course, I am not going to show the pictures again because then it will take a long time. But I am sure you remember. I have kept two boats here, children. You remember? In the last lesson, English lesson, you must have seen this. This is a rowboat and it has an oar, just like in the same way I had shown you the pictures of a speedboat, a motorboat that can go very fast, and I also showed you the picture of two big ships where so many people can go together, right? And I also told you that the ships carry not only people, it carries some goods also. And there was a picture of a ship. There were so many boxes were kept, cargo ship. Yes, children, you remember it very well. So we spoke about that day in detail about the transport that we use through waterways. right? Using the waterways, we use these different transport that is used by us, huh children? Huh. I think I also told you, I showed you a picture of a kind of a port. I told you that's the seaport where so many ships comes and they rest there and they take their next journey from there. That is seaport. You remember that? Okay, right. So today children, I have a small book with me and it has some pictures which I am going to show you. Now, children, I told you that vehicles that move on the road. Now, vehicles that move on the water, the boats and the ships, they move on the water. Now, what else moves, other than this? If you just look up, children, what do you see? You see something flying all the time. Yes, the birds are flying. Yes, of course. The birds fly in the air and they so easily they move from here to there. Oh, it's lovely to see them. And we also feel that I wish we could fly. Yeah, children, somebody must be thinking in the same way. A clever person, like the clever person who invented a wheel, a clever person must be sitting and thinking that how beautiful that the birds can fly. Why can't we fly? And then that clever person thought and thought and thought for a long time. And then I think they came up with something that can fly. Who is it? What is it? Yes, the airplane. So, and do you know who invented the airplane? It was the Wright brothers. Yes, children, they were very clever and they thought for a long time and then they came up with a plane that can fly in the air. Yes, of course. And because the birds can fly, and how do the birds fly, children? They fly because they have wings. So in the same way, the airplane also were given wings. Yes. Do you want to have a look here? But I will show this later to you. The airplane have wings and so they can fly. But what else fly in the air, children? We are not going to talk in much detail today. That we are going to do in the next class. But we will just name them today. The airplane, yes, of course. What else? Yes, something that has blades and it moves. It can't go very high up. Yes, what is it? Yes, helicopter. Very good, children. And what else? Something that goes very fast. Yes, the fighter planes. Very good, children. Yes. And there are many, many, many other things that we are going to not discuss now, but next time. So this time, we are just going to, speak about the aeroplane. It has wings, just like birds. But what do you think? The airplane can also move the wings like the birds do? I don't think so, children. It can't do it. But of course, there are some fighter planes which can move the wings. They can close and open and close the wings whenever they need to do it. Some of the fighter planes. Yes, children, they can do it, right? So, children, I told you when we were talking about the boats and ships, I showed you the picture of a ship and it was carrying so many boxes. And I told you that not just people, but some material, some goods also carried by these ships and we called them cargo ship. Do you remember? Yes. So, in the same way, children, there are some aeroplanes that also carry some goods, not just people, right? Sometimes when somebody is in urgent need of something, these aeroplanes take the heavy boxes and material, the things from here to there, and they help people in that way, right, children? And one more very important thing, they do. You know what is it? Have you seen an ambulance on the road? Yes. What does the ambulance do? It takes some sick people who need some very urgent, medical care. The ambulance quickly take them and make them reach to the hospital very fast, right? So, but you know, children, sometimes some people might have to be taken to some far away place, not just very close in the city. Then when they are in a very urgently they want to go from, maybe from Pune to Delhi, then how will they go? They can't go by road. It will take a long time. That's why there are some ambulance and we call them air ambulance. What do we call them? We call them air ambulance, and these air ambulance are like these ambulances. Inside everything is just like the ambulance. Everything, there will be a doctor, there will be a nurse, and there will be many other things, you know, that the doctors need to help the patient. So these air ambulance, no, they quickly take the sick people and they help them go to the better hospital in a faster way. Yes, because planes can go very fast. And children? Yes. So today we spoke about this aircrafts. I will show you the picture here. I have a book and it has few pictures. So if you can have a look here, children, right? This is an airplane, right? This is a fighter plane. Can you see a helicopter here? I can see one here. This is a helicopter, right? And the rest of the things, children, we will discuss in the next time. Okay? Right? So that was nice, children, telling you so many things. And so what activity do you think you can do today? I think you can go and you can have a talk with dad, mom, or Ajji or Jabba, whoever are there at home, and you can, you know, just talk to them about how this ambulance help people, this air ambulance, and they can tell you many more things about this. Okay? Yeah, that's going to be a wonderful day for you if you get to know so many new things. Okay? Right. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.